love for any artist is, I think, is your greatest muse.
The weirdness is where all our strength is, and that's what you press the button on, right on that. And
Weird is good.
yeah.
Well, I want to create something that's going to just take people away and make them dream like music does.
There's all things that happen when we speak, and when I say speak, I mean drawing or whatever, or designing. And some of them is our desires to be accepted, and a lot of that clouds us.
I want to know what it looks like in his brain.
I know.
For real.
I think his brain looks like what he's wearing.
You have to make people care for you by caring for yourself first.